Buenas tardes. Today is September 22, September 22nd, the sign of Wuhan. I am in Helsinki and this is the beautiful central railway station. I don't know what this art is, but like Stalinist and I'm looking for cyclists here. And it's really a beautiful building, and I remember this from my last visit. But these are the signs of times of Wuhan, and even the statues are masked up. Tapabocas, and it's really beautiful. One of my favorite railway stations. I had forgotten this one, and Tapabocas. Beautiful. Hasta luego.